Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make a desktop gadget application using Visual Studio 2010. I have made this application few years ago using earlier version of the Visual Basic, probably Visual Basic 6.0 version, but now I am going to recreate this app using Visual Studio 2010, and I have tested the setup file of the latest version of Windows like Windows 10, Windows 11, and it's working pretty well. So let's see the design part. The design part of this project, here I am using the Windows from. I just renamed this from as startup.vb. You need to change four things of the from properties, like the most important things is transparency key. I have set the transparency key color equal to red because I am using the images which are having the background color red, so that's why I have set this transparency key color equal to red. If you have the image with green screen or blue screen and whatever the background color, you need to set this particular color here, because when you run this application, particular this color is going to be transparent. So that's why you need to set the chroma key color value here. Okay, so the one more most important things is the from border style. So you can see I don't need the the close button, the minimize maximize button, the title bar. Basically we want to hide these all things, so that's why we need to change the from border style equal to none. Okay, these two most important things. And another two things is the topmost equal to true. If we want the application startup behavior, like every time we start this application it always appear in topmost position, then we need to set this properties value of the topmost feature equal to true. And the another things is, if we want the position of the desktop gadget on the center of the screen, we can set this value as a center screen, but this is not mandatory. If you want this, you can do this. So we need two tools basically. This is the picture box and this is the timer. So we need to overlap this picture box over the Windows form and need to the set the size mode of the picture box equal to stretch image, because if we set this size mode as a stretch image, the image height and width automatically adjust according to the picture box size. And another thing is, when we add this timer in our project, by default its enable value was false, so we need to change this value equal to true and interval value equal to 150. This is actually the millisecond value. If you increase this value, your transition of the animation will become slower. If you decrease this value, the moving of the transition of your animated image, it became faster. So you can change this value as per your requirement, and you can put the suitable value. So let's go to the coding part. Only few lines of codes are required for this project. So here you can see I am using this two line for the feature of drag and drop, also the three function of the mouse event with the picture box, like this one, mouse down, mouse move and mouse up function, because I need to drag and drop by pressing on the object and need to move anywhere in our desktop. So that's why I am using these three functions. The first function of the picture box, one dot double click, here I am setting the closing features, because we know there is no closing button visible. So that's why if we double click on the animated gadget, it will close the application completely. So that's why I have add this end command here. And the another things is the timer. The timer part here, the maximum count of the images is 12, because I have only 12 images. If you have more than 12 images, you can set the value of your maximum number of images. So here, if the value of the 12 is become more than 12, then it reset the count value equal to 1. That is, these features will help animate the image in a loop. Another thing is I am loading the picture box one images dynamically with the value of the count, because here the A is the prefix value of the picture name. Here you can see all the images name start with A, and the numeric value inside the bracket. So here I only increasing the numeric value of the picture name. It will help to load one by one image on the picture box, and the count value adding 1 each every step, and became 1 2 3 4 and so on. When it's became when the count value became more than 12, it's reset the count value equal to 1. Very simple logic. So let's see how it looks like. So I can easily move the gadget anywhere on my desktop, and if we double click on it, it will close the application. Here it is. Okay, so the complete source code is given the inside the video description link. I have already uploaded this code on my Google Drive, and the link is given in the video description. You can download from there, and also the setup file link is there. If you want to just test this application, simply download the application from my Google Drive and install it on your computer. After installing, you can see a deck icon appear in your desktop. Simply double click on it, the program will run on your desktop. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.